Harish Uncle.
Everyone knows.
Harish Uncle already has to.
If he wants to know, I will talk to him.
Okay.
તમારો ક્વેશ્ચન નથી ના કોઈ?
ના.
હા તો રહેવા દો. ખાલી આપણે
I just was told nothing. I'm just doing it.
અમને મોટા ક્લાસ આપે. Anybody wants to understand this?
He wants to see.
Or you all understand?
I just wanted to have somebody explain it. It kind of makes sense.
So everybody understands this, right? There is no question about this. Atal bhai, you have any question on this? Nishchay Niyaman, you have any question? બોલે કોઈ તમારો ક્વેશ્ચન નથી ને આમાં? હા ચાલો તો વાત કરો. Now start talking. So you know me very well. I am not used to talk unless you ask me. Akash knows. You all, everyone, almost everyone is knowing. Union बनाई है. Union. You all three sisters are together.
આપણે એમ કહીએ કે બધામાં શુદ્ધાત્મા જુઓ.
માઇક આપીશ કે તમામ નથી આપો? ઓકે વાંધો નહીં.
એમ કહે કે બધામાં
થોડા નજીકથી આવી જાઓ ને. બસ શું મને LLB વાળાની જોડે ફ્રેન્ડશિપ સારી હોય છે મારે. LLB વાળા ફ્રેન્ડશિપ બધાને આ નજીક બોલાવે. લોર્ડ ઓફ ધી લાસ્ટ બેન્ચ વાળા. એટલે આમાં શું છે, તમારે છોકરા બધા પાછળ જ બેસતા હોય. Not all students were always there sitting in the back. I was one of them, but I was not sitting in the back. એટલે ભાઈ મારે ઓળખી લો ને કે આપણે આગળ બોલે એટલે ભાઈ બીજા બધા શાંતિ રહે. ખાલી બંધ વર્ષે પાઘડી પહેરી ના લેતા મારે. સોનક આગળ આવી જાય ને ખાલી ચા પેલી ફ્રન્ટ ચેરો ખાલી છે. ચાલો અહીંયા કોઈને હેંગ નથી કરવાનો. આવી જાઓ આગળ આવી જાઓ, જગ્યા છે જ. મારે કોઈ મોટેથી બોલવું પડે.
આપણે એમ કહીએ કે બધામાં શુદ્ધાત્મા જુઓ. જ્યારે ફરતા ફરતા બધામાં ક્યારેક જોવાય ક્યારેક ન જોવાય. તો જે ન જોયેલા ભાગમાં જ્યારે તમે વસ્તુ જોઈ તો તમે એમાં તન્મયાકાર થઈને તમે એમને પૂતગલ રીતે જોયા કે તમે ખાલી શુદ્ધાત્માની સીટમાં નહોતા બેઠા એટલે તમને દેખાય એમ?
Explain me what is happening with you.
ચાલીએ છે થોડાક જણમાં શુદ્ધાત્મા દેખાય, શુદ્ધાત્માની રીતે જોઈએ.
તે વાત કરી કે શુદ્ધાત્મા દેખાય છે, અમુક જે નથી દેખાતો એક શું થાય છે એ કેમ મને
કંઈ નહીં, એમ જ જેમ જોતા હોય એમ જ. ના ના ના
I am also asking you the same question.
નો લાઈક
એટલે તને એ વખતે શું રહે છે એ તો તને જ ખબર પડે કે તને શું રહ્યું વખતે.
એટલે કંઈ એવું આમ તન્માયાકાર નહીં થતા, પણ જોઈએ ત્યારે એવું નથી લક્ષ્યમાં તો કે આ શુદ્ધાત્મા છે. પૂતગલ રીતે કે એવી રીતે જ જોવાય છે. અને એ નિષ્કર્ષ હું એટલે કાઢું છું કે પૂતગલ રીતે જોવાય છે બિકોઝ મેં શુદ્ધાત્માના રીતે જોયા નહીં. એટલે ધ ઓનલી થિંગ લેફ્ટ ઇઝ પૂતગલ.
એટલે after this initiation જ્ઞાનવિધિ for us 5 આજ્ઞાs they are core foundation of this Akram Vignan. You can understand very well. ગુજરાતી બોલો ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલો કે હિન્દી ચાલુ કરો?
ઇંગ્લિશ ચાલશે બધા.
હિન્દી ને ઇંગ્લિશમાં વાત કરશો તો નીરજને એનું ધ્યાન રાખવું પડશે ને ભાઈ મારે. અને તો ભાઈ નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આવશે નહીં ભાઈ. ના ના નીચું જાઓ, બહુ ઊંચું નાખીશ, મારે ઊંચું થવું પડશે. થોડું નીચું કરો અને હું હમે કરી દઈશ. એવું વસ્તુ આવે બસ ચાલશે. Your two જ્ઞાનવિધિ બોth. તો બધા જ્ઞાનવાળા જ છે, કોઈ જ્ઞાન વગરનો નથી ને. See, previously, before taking Gyan, so we are using word, we are taken Gyan. In fact, no Jnani or no Tirthankar are giving Jnana to anybody. They are just removing coverings over our darshan, vision. They are removing our ignorance, except that they are not giving anything else. So here what is happening? Previously, with the belief that I am Midas, I was used to see everything as if it is real. Being Midas, I was thinking I am real. I am seeing Kausal as real, not relative. But after this Gyan, after realizing our own self, separation after separation, we have come to know that, oh, to whom I was thinking as real, in fact it was relative. So after initiation, relative part opens up as relative. So previously we were thinking it is real, and that's why all complications were there. So previously, were you required to put any efforts to see others at fault?
No. दिखाई चल I could just see
It was
natural.
natural action. You were required to see others as doers?
No.
No.
Natural.
Right, Akash? So it was our understanding, I am doer, others are also doers. In the same way, what is our status now? Are we required to put any efforts to see others as instrumental or faultless, nirdosh, or instrumental?
You have to put the effort to make sure that you are in Shuddha.
Or we have to put some efforts.
Yeah, because you
Yes,
have, you, have
that's
to,
right.
you have to be in Shuddha.
But why we are required to put efforts? જ્ઞાન લીધું છે? તો ભેગા થયા નથી એટલે પૂછી લો. ગુજરાતી સમજાય થોડું થોડું? લેસન નથી આવતું? She is not teaching you? ઓહો. So previously, the action which was natural to see others at fault as doer, why it was natural? Because it was your belief that I am doer. I am doing this. So there, when you are sitting on the chair of Midas, in the seat of Kausal, it is natural. You will find others as doer. So that's why Chandrakant Bhai, Bhavi Tirthankar, he used to tell us that till the time you see others as doers, means others at fault, you are not in this state of Shuddhatma. तो दूसरों की गलती कहाँ तक दिखेगी? कि जहाँ तक मैं कर्ता बन गया वहाँ तक। आप नीरज बन जाओगे तो आपको सामने वाले की गलती ना दिखेगी। But when you are sitting on the seat of Shuddhatma, what will you find? Will you find others as doers? No. Will you find their fault? No. Do you have to try to see them as instrumental? No. Why? Because we are sitting on that state. You are in that state which is always instrumental, non-doer. So you have not to try to see others as instrumental or non-doer or faultless. समझा છે?
Yeah.
Because previously reverse action was also natural. Now when this thing can become natural, when you are very firmly determined to remain in Dada's Agnyas. Now to remain in Agnya, what we have to do? We have to talk with our Antaskaran. કવરને શું કરે છે? ધમાલ નથી કરતો,
કર
કરે છે? તો તું આવે ત્યારે જ ને, તમારે એવું તો ના કરે.
Yeah, મસ્તી કરે.
એટલે કહેવા શું માગું છું? તો માન લો કે at 12 AM if we ask for ice cream, if there is no ice cream in freezer, all stock is exhausted, will you agree? If you say well, ice cream is not there, you will open the freezers and show him everything. Will he convince?
No.
No. Then what will you do? You know, he knows in Walmart we are getting. Suppose Walmart is closed by 11 PM, not 24 hours store is there. So what will you do? You have to take him to Walmart or whatever store he knows. You will show him lock. See, there is lock. If lights are on inside, you will show him, see. If you find anyone, you will call him and ask him to give us ice cream. So you will try to find if somebody is there or not. After a few minutes, you will realize that nobody is there and it is locked, so we will not get anything. So you will tell him, see, everything is locked, nobody is there. Now we cannot get ice cream at this time. Do one thing, you will come in the morning. I will give you whatever ice cream you want, we will buy it for you. So we'll get convinced or not.
Yes.
But you will slap him. At this time you remember ice cream? અક્કલ બક્કલ છે કે નહીં? બે ચાર ઠોકી દે ને આપણે. એટલે ભાઈ હોય કે ભાઈ હોય બધા આપણે હરખા જઈએ આમાં. કે આપણે તો દેખાય આમ તો સમજણ નથી ને. Here we have to understand this. How we are dealing with the kid? બહેનો તો બધા એક્સપર્ટ હોય એમાં, બરાબર? આ લોકોને ખબર ના પડે, તમને તો અનુભવ ખરો ને, પૈસા એને કેવી રીતે રાખી ના ખબર પડે. Same way, we have to talk with our Antaskaran. Antaskaran is also like kid. What your mind is telling, whatever we are showing you, it is not compulsory for you to follow. But you have to convince us. If you do not want us to do that, you have to convince us. Simple. Same way kids asking for ice cream, we are convincing him. So, if you start this process of talking with your Antaskaran, gradually what will happen? You will be able to easily remain detached. What is real Purusarth? To keep relative as relative and real as real. That is Purusarth. So when you are talking with your Antaskaran, when your Antaskaran is convinced to follow Dada's Agnya, to remain in Dada's Agnyas, will you ever require to remind it every time to remain in Agnya?
No.
Not needed mostly. Have we reached that state? સમજાય છે? Okay, important શું છે? What is more important after this જ્ઞાન? How much importance we have understood? लाइक केवू છે? करण जी कैसा है? अब शादी किया आपने, घर पे किसको लेकर आए? शादी की आपने तो घर पे किसको लेके आए? किसी को नहीं लाए. क्या बात है, शादी किससे किया था? किसी के साथ नहीं किया था?
क्या शादी?
हाँ, तो घर पे किसको लाए? इससे मीन्स क्या, उसको कुछ बोलते हो ना, क्या बोलते हो व्यवहार में? हाँ, बीवी? नहीं नहीं नहीं, बीवी नहीं बोलते हैं। शादी करके बीवी नहीं लाता है घर में, नहीं है मालूम आपको? किसी ने बताया नहीं आप किसको लेकर आए? शादी करते हैं तो गुरु को घर पे लाते हैं। अभी गुरु को घर पे लाए तो पहले तो आप माता पिता के आज्ञा में रहते थे, अभी गुरु को घर पर लेकर आए तो किसके आज्ञा में रहना पड़ता है? ऐसा नहीं, गुरु के आज्ञा में रहना पड़ता है, ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है। उनको भी आनंद होता है, वो मुझे गुरु बोला तो गुरु आपकी अच्छी टेक केयर करेंगे, बहुत सही बन जाएंगे। बात ख्याल में आती है? पहले आप जितना अटेंशन पेरेंट्स पे देते थे, अभी डिवाइड हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? अटेंशन गुरु को भी देना पड़ता है, तो गुरु नाराज हो जाए तो फिर कर्ज दे देंगे। तो हियर वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। गुरु को लेकर गुरु के आगे में रहना पड़ता है, तो गुरु बहुत पक्के होते हैं, गुरु बहुत पक्के होते हैं। गुरु क्या करते हैं, वो शिष्य की चोटी धीरे धीरे बांधते हैं, ओवरनाइट पे नहीं बांधते हैं। तो यहाँ तो अच्छा है कि यहाँ इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, इंडिया में तो प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा होता है। वो बात अभी नहीं करते, यहाँ आपको वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सब तो छोड़ ही देते हैं। तो ख्याल में रखना, गुरु को लेकर हम आए। तेजस भाई बराबर है, गुरु ने लेना आ છો तो गुरु ने आज्ञा में रहવું પડે ને। हाँ, એટલે हमारे लक्ष्य में रहता है कि गुरु को लेकर आए तो हमको फायदा होता है कि खाना तो अच्छा मिलेगा और झगड़ा भी नहीं होगा ना, गुरु से झगड़ा कर नहीं सकता। कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं, आज्ञा में रहने का। कॉम्प्रोमाइज क्या मीन्स समटाइम्स यू कैन डिक्टेट योर टर्म्स। वो पुरुष प्रकृति है ही, वो तो आ ही जाता है। So we are trying to understand importance of Agnya Dharma. With Anant Avatar, sir, we are wandering in this world. In each and every birth, either we have followed Agnya of Guru, not this one Guru, this one or the other one, religious gurus, parents. So we have honored Agnyas of all these people. But we have never followed Agnya of Jnani Purush or Tirthankar. So that's why we are wandering here. So now if you understand the importance of this Agnya Dharma, I have just explained it to two Agnyas. If you remain in the state of Karan, then you will start finding faults of others, you will see others as doer. But, ठीक है, announce करो। हाँ, yes. મોકલી આપો, મને કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી, મને તો આ ગ્રુપમાં કેટલા છે ખબર જ નથી, એટલે I am not biased.
So can I take maybe some of you guys to start the satsang over there? Cancel a group? I don't know how you're gonna split it.
કોઈ પેલો ક્લાસ કરો, આ ક્લાસ કરો છે, બહુ નથી થાય, અલગ અલગ
Maybe, I don't know how you guys are gonna split it, but I just
કોઈને
maybe.
કોઈને દીપકાંશના ક્લાસમાં જવું તો ઓપ્શન ઓપન છે. I am not stopping anyone. આપણે પેલી fill in the blanks કરવાની છે એટલે get promoted.
No, you're fine.
Some if you have any question, ask. Be free. શીતલબેન આગળ આવી જાઓ તો પાછળ બે સૌરભની પાસે ઢંકાઈ જાઓ છો કઈ વાંધો નહીં અમને મને નહીં ડરે હું રમી લઈશ એની જોડે બહુ સરસ સેક્રામેન્ટોમાં ખબર છે મને રમાડતા ફાવે છે છોકરાઓને. So what is happening? Your determination is not that strong. Suppose you are sick. Your doctor has prescribed you medicines and given tablets as well as syrup. You are given instructions where you have to take like that, this and this, this and this. He has told after lunch you have to take 2 teaspoons of syrup before sleeping in the night. Suppose you have forgot to take syrup in the night. You are awake in the midnight around 2 a.m. If you remember, what will you do?
Take it right away.
You will wake and take it,
Yeah.
right? Syrup which is kept in the cupboard. Besides that, poison's bottle is also there, of same color. What will you do?
Just pay attention and
Turn
take the
on
right one.
lights and then
Yeah.
get the bottle.
Yeah, make sure
Not only you will on the light,
I'll read it twice.
you will read twice. If you are in sleep, you will wash your face also.
Yeah.
Before taking it out in spoon, what will you do?
I'll smell it.
You will smell. Even after taking it in spoon, you will just taste. You want to confirm whether Khushbu has played any game or not. नहीं हाँ बहुत कमाल.
Yeah.
समझा?
Yeah.
What does it prove? That we have capacity to understand things. If you are having capacity at one end, at one place, that means you can apply that understanding at all places. Simple.
Yeah.
If someone gives you poison or says this is nectar, have it. Will you take it?
No. If they say it is nectar without telling me it's poison, I might take it, yes.
So you will not think it is nectar itself. You will just first smell everything, you will do everything.
Yeah.
But you do not know everything. Even if you do know them, you will not blindly trust
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Because you know nectar is not easily available.
Yeah.
So there you are making it sure that it is nectar. In the same way, here we have to talk with our antaskaran and convince, but to remain in Agnya is in your benefit. It is in your own interest. If you want to get detached, if you want to get separate, if you want to get out of this cycle of wandering in birth and death, follow Dadaji's Agnya. Easy thing?
Yeah.
You are convinced?
Yes.
So now you will follow Agnya of Khushbu.
Of course.
Well, previously you were not doing.
I was.
એટલે यार अंतस्करण के साथ बातचीत करने का है, जितनी बातचीत होती रहेगी उतनी आसानी के साथ वो आज्ञा का प्रयोग होता जाएगा. आकाश बराबर है तो भूल था જ મારી ભૂલ થતો તો કરેક્ટ કરી આપજો. You all are my gurus, huh? Don't think you are below me or as it. I am making all gurus. The guru has all the rights. Gurus can scold me, beat me, everything. They can do anything. So if this understanding is there, you will not have any problem. समझ बराबर ને? ગુરુ તો મારા ખરા ને. ભલે આપણે ઇન્ડિયામાં ક્યારેક તો પ્રસાદી ચખાડી દો, પણ તાર તો પ્રસાદી ખાવાનો વારો નહીં આવતો. નથી આવતો ના. છોકરાઓ પોઝિટિવ છે. Let's start this practical. That's what Dada used to say. He was used to say, well, you have to go to market for 1 hour for India. Here you have to go to mall. But in mall people are not that much like in India. So he used to say there, for 1 hour you have to go to the market. And what we have to do? Keep bag in hand, but not to buy anything. Except you are told, well, better half to bring something. But what business we have to do? For 1 hour we have to say relative and real. We have to put that in practice. In the starting, Daji used to take Mahatmas, new Mahatmas with him in horse cart at his own expenses. He'll move around in the Baroda for 1 hour. It was giving practical experience on hand. But now number is also increased, so it is not practically feasible. In the 70s when I took Gyan, that system was closed. Now ask something.
So, you're saying that we should talk about this current. That B, which B is that? Is that
Look, we as Pragya Shakti. Pragya Shakti will talk with me as Santaskaran. Suddhatma is not talking. But as Pragya Shakti, it will guide through Pragya Shakti. You can ask something.
So in the main hall, there's Dada's picture, there's Sri Sundar Swami, everybody. But so why do we pray to Lord Shiva or Vishnu or Mataji or anybody like that? Because we've already gotten, my understanding is our connection is with the Tirthankars and Kaja, Kusumadri,
You know meaning of Tri Mantra? You know that?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, I've read it. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I've read it.
No, I'm not asking you whether you remember it or not.
Alright, yes.
But you know the meaning. It's enough. We are not giving exam. I am not taking exam. You are taking my exam. So you are not to worry for that. Because Daji has given distinction mark sheet with distinction passing to everyone. Who am I to fail others? Then I will get failed first. So we are respecting various levels of development in spiritualism, Adhyatma. The topmost development is of Arihant, Tirthankars. Then Acharya, Upadhyaya, Siddha. Siddha is upper than Arihant. But Arihant is a bodily form. Enlightenment with body form. Suppose you have did some mistake. If your grandfather's picture is kept here, will he guide you? Will you scold you? Why you did this mistake? Don't do this mistake in future. No. So, Arihant, they are present. Fully enlightened with body form. Topmost development with body form. So they can show us our mistakes. They can take us out of it. Siddha, they have no mind, body, speech. They are totally liberated. But why we are offering our salutations? Why we are doing them? Because we have in our attention, we have our lux, our goal that I want to reach this state of being. Same way Acharya, Upadhyaya and Sadhu. Do you know in which state we are? No. We are in the state of Namo Loye Sava Savanam. When we speak Namo Loye Sava Savanam, or when other people, they are speaking this three mantra or Naukar mantra, their salutations are reaching all Mahatmas. So you can understand our responsibility is day by day decreasing. Right?
It is increasing.
મને કા ફર્સ્ટ લાઈન વાળા ના પાડે લોકો સાચા હશે હવે જાગે છે ગુંગજમાં જોઈ લેવું પડે સમજાય છે ડે બાય ડે our responsibility is increasing. Are we matching that responsibility? Kasi? We have to match this responsibility. Otherwise we cannot get promotion. In job what they are doing? They are doing frequent evaluation. Same way here we have to say, we will do your evaluation. We will give you periodical markings. For your safety. When we have reached this state of Namo Loye Sava Savanam, that means everyone in this universe, whosoever speaks this three mantra or Naukar mantra, they are offering their salutations to us. So our responsibility is increased to very great level. So that's why we have to tell Midas, well, keep this in your mind and act accordingly.